Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me on an unforgettable trip to Lisbon, Portugal, a city full of sunshine, color, history, great food, and some of the best views in Europe. Let's dive into it. I just arrived at Humberto Delgado Airport here in Lisbon. The moment you just step out, you can already feel the warmth, air, and relaxed vibe of the city. Lisbon has this magical mix of old charm and modern energy. Let's go explore. I'm starting my day in Rocio Square. It's one of Lisbon's busiest spots, surrounded by cafe shops and amazing architecture. The stone wave pattern on the ground is super iconic, and trust me, it looks even cooler in person. It's come, guys. I don't speak Portuguese. This is me live in Lisbon, Portugal. This is Lisbon Central, where all the shifts happen. Right? You can't come to Lisbon without riding Tram 28. This yellow tram takes you through some of the oldest neighborhoods in the city. Alfama, Baxa, all while climbing steep hills and passing super narrow streets. It feels like a ride through history. This is the central station where you can take long distance trains to other countries or other cities. This is Colombo, a train station close to the military barracks, opposite the Benfica Stadium. In Lisbon against Benfica, the only Portuguese derby in Europe. Today is the match day between Sporting Lisbon and Benfica Lisbon. It's a derby in Portugal, and all the fans are gradually coming to the stadium to watch the derby Portugal. For something more modern, I headed to the city center. The city center is full of street art, cool cafes, close to the ocean, and more creative spaces. It's the kind of place where you just walk around and discover new things at every corner. Lisbon at night is also alive. I tried some local dishes like bacalhau, grilled sardines, and some of Portuguese wine. The nightlife in Bairro also is wild. Music everywhere, friendly people, and such a good vibe. And that wraps up my trip to Lisbon, from historic streets to the food, the views, and the people. Lisbon truly stole my heart. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.